Welcome, friends, come take a seat. Grab your words and feel the beat. Sing and laugh, it's all okay. Learning English starts today.
Hello everyone, Pete here, and welcome to English with Pete. I'm delighted to join me today. In this lesson, we'll explore the fun and creative world of rhyming words. By the end, you'll be able to spot rhymes quickly and use them with confidence. Let's get started. You know what rhyming words are? Rhyming words are words that sound the same at the end. For example, cat, hat, dog, frog, knee, tree. Which words rhyme with cat? Rat, bat, hat, fat. Which words rhyme with bed? Red, head, thread, bread. Which words rhyme with tree? Bee, knee, tree, sea. Which words rhyme with dog? Frog, fog, log, hot dog. Which words rhyme with bear? Bear, hair, car, were. Which words rhyme with cake? Snake, lake, bake, wake. Which words rhyme with house? Mouse, louse, blouse, greenhouse. Now it's your turn. I'll show you some words and you choose which words rhyme with them. Ready? Let's see how many can you get right. Here we go. What rhymes with bee? Tree. Splendid. What rhymes with bat? Rat. Top marks. What rhymes with red? Bad. Well done. What rhymes with frog? Log. Smashing answer. What rhymes with chair? Hair. Well done. What rhymes with mouse? House. Brilliant work. What rhymes with head? Bread. Jolly good. What rhymes with bear? Bear. Excellent effort. What rhymes with flower? Shower. Good show. What rhymes with snake? Lake. Splendid. Brilliant
ABC
work
and
today,
1, 2, 3.
everyone. You learn
E
how
as a
to
buzzing bee.
recognize and
Words
use
are
rhyming
friends, they
words.
help
And
you
that's
grow.
fantastic
Step
step
by
in your
step, we'll
English
let them
journey.
flow.
Keep practicing because rhyming makes language fun, memorable, and musical. Thanks for watching English with Pete. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe for more lessons. See you next time. Cheers, guys.